My name is Steve Gerbix. I'm here at 24 in Bloomfield. I'm the superintendent for construction. Have been in process since summer of 2018. We currently have one building we have residents moving into. The clubhouse has been finished since January of this year. The trades we have on site right now are the framers, electricians, painters, plumbers, all in the midst of different projects on the property.
Hi, my name is Jen Breaker. I'm property manager for 24 at Bloomfield. Couldn't be more excited to see the progress happening on the site every single day. And we've just welcomed our first residents to the community. If you haven't already, please reach out to us.
When the community is completed, we'll have 12 buildings, a community center with attached pool, a dog park, which will make this property a beautiful place to live.
We are proud to call ourselves one of Michigan's newest premier apartment homes, and we hope you'll decide to be a part of our community.